Okay, welcome back. In this lesson for the South Melbourne Commons website, we're going to learn how to add a new entry to the event page listing. And to do that, we're going to use another skill, which is kind of like creating a random web page that's not linked to one of our main menus. So if we look at the Commons website, we have an events page. The events page contains a feed from the Google Calendar up the top, which we'll cover in another lesson, and it also contains just this regular events and activities. This is simply a category or section blog, I forget which one, and it's just really showing you a list of those entries, of those articles that have a certain category and section selected for them. So to get a new one to appear here, all we need to do is come into the article manager, create our new article. Let's say we started a new event called Mother's Day. So we're just going to put Mother's Day in there like that. Section that we need to select to get items to come up there is, I think it's Enterprise, and it's then Health and Wellbeing. So anything under Health and Wellbeing will be displayed here, will be listed here. So we'll do it really quickly. Let's call it, this is Mother's Day. Very simple. Of course, you'd make it a lot prettier with headings, text, and images. And then it's simply a matter of saving or applying. Wait for that to finish. Still turning, done. Come back here, refresh this page, and you should now have a new option in the list here. Mother's Day. Beautiful. Click on that and it will take you to Mother's Day. You might notice something that's a bit funny though. When you look at the website address, we've got this 45-Mothers-Day. We don't really want this 45 here. The reason it's showing is because we don't currently have a menu that links to the Mother's Day article. So what we're going to do now is quickly get around that issue. It kind of corrects itself, and once it's done, it also enables us to use that Mother's Day link in other web pages as well. So we just close that article after doing all the work to make it. Click the Menus menu and select Hidden Menu. From here, we just add a new menu item. Click the New button. Click on Articles. Click on Article Layout. And give it a title, so we'll call it Mother's Day. This will now effectively become, if we type something in the alias, Mother's Day starts, for example. That will now become the website address URL. I was wrong before in another tute when I said it was the article alias. It's actually the menu alias, I think, that drives that. So basically, just get rid of that. You can copy and paste that or write it down, but just remember what it is. So Mother's Day starts. Don't worry about the order of these menus here. You can simply just come over here, click the select button. We now select the new menu that we, the new article we created. Something about Mother's Day, which will be here somewhere. Mother's Day. Not having much luck finding it. Where did I put it? It's under Health and Wellbeing. So let's start that. Mother's Day, there it is. Beautiful. Select that. That appears here. Then just click Save or Apply. We'll just save it straight away. Once that's saved, we can then basically just start a new tab and type commons.org.au/mothers-day-starts.html, and that should then display that article without any of this 45 before it. Alternatively, going back to the regular events and activities listing, I'm just going to refresh that page so it sucks down the new links. It should be now smart enough to know that we've got a menu for it. The menus drives the address. Okay, we hover on top there and click the link. Now it takes us to that same page with Mother's Day starts.html. You could use a similar technique, for example, if we want to be on the home page and add that link in here. Let's say we wanted, let's say it was a health and wellbeing activity, or let's say we want to put a new link under membership and not have, this is our main menu up here effectively, but obviously you can't fit a link to every article you want there. So let's say we wanted a new link under health and wellbeing, so simply back here into the article manager, edit health and wellbeing. We're just going to type some text, select it, and then add the new link. New text, whatever. Link here. So just highlight the text, insert the link, paste it in. Oh, that's not what we want. We want the full address. That's what seems to work in this editor. And target, open on the same page, advanced. Enter something in there. Take me to Mother's Day. Normally you just put Mother's Day in. Okay, done. Apply. Refresh the page. And so in this lesson we learned how to create a new article to appear on the events page listing, and then we learned how to create a new hidden menu so that the URL, the web page address, looks nice and pretty, and also enables us to insert links easily into other parts of the website for those hidden menus or those articles that aren't directly linked to a main menu. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.